The skyline is a canvas painted in the dark. Every galaxy a witness, every burning star a spark. The firmament is shouting what the fingertips have spun. From the rising of the morning to the setting of the sun. Day breaks into a rhythm, pouring out its speech. Night whispers to the evening truths that silence cannot reach. There is no language, no dialect or tongue, where the anthem of the architect hasn't yet been sung. The heavens are declaring the glory of the King. The skies are humming carols that the constellations sing. Across the reach of every land, their line is going out. The silent thundering message that leaves no room for doubt. Your law is like a mirror, reflecting what is true, reviving every weary soul and making spirit new. Your living word is always true, a fire within my chest, giving wisdom to the simple and the wandering heart a rest. His precepts shine like lanterns, a light unto the eyes, more desirable than diamonds or the gold that bankers prize, sweeter than the nectar from the honeycomb's embrace, refining every servant step to walk in paths of grace. But who can discern his errors? Who knows the hidden fault? Keep me from the prideful sins that lead to a revolt. Cleanse the secret chambers where the shadows try to hide. Let me walk in blamelessness with you as my only guide. Not just the words upon my tongue, not just the songs that I have sung, but every heartbeat, every thought, be aligned with what your grace has born. Let the words of my mouth and the meditation of my heart be pleasing in your sight, Lord, no, never to depart. My rock, my strength, the one who sets me free, my Redeemer for all eternity.